This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking gear that suits your style, a high-speed binder for long straights or a nimble setup for tight tracks. Once chosen, make sure you know the control layout, boost, drift, jump, and test them in a single practice lap to feel timing and responsiveness. You want consistent inputs. That creates reliable tricks. Practice short bursts of throttle, then add a drift. This establishes muscle memory and lets you evaluate whether to tweak board stats before racing seriously. You learn to initiate drifts early, enter a turn with controlled slide so the boost gauge fills while you maintain line. Once the gauge is full, release at the apex to convert charge into a burst of speed. Timing matters because early or late release costs momentum. Make sure to mix in quick trick hops after releasing to keep acceleration. This prevents a speed drop on exit. Practice different radii and adjust pressure, because sharper turns need longer holds and gentler exits. You finish a race by timing boosts and choosing overtakes smartly. Draft behind opponents to gain speed, then surge past on straights. Save an extra boost for the last lap or a critical pass. Wasting it early reduces endgame options. If you get clipped or lose control, reset to the track edge, check your line, and recalibrate throttle sensitivity or controller dead zone. One key troubleshooting tip: if inconsistent drifts happen, lower input sensitivity slightly and repractice entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.